Welcome back to the channel. Today's tutorial is all about glowing vibes. We are creating 3D neon outlines effect around your subject in Photoshop. This effect makes your photo looks futuristic, like it's glowing out of screen. Cut your subject using the pen tool or subject. Select subject, duplicate the outline and set stroke for px and change color to neon blue or pink. Go to the blending option and select outer glow. Set it to the screen with bright hue. Add a second outer glow layer with different color for 3D depth. Darken the background slightly with curves adjustment to make it the glow pop. Boom, your photo no glow like a sci-fi poster. Like, comment and subscribe for more new inspired tutorials.